All right, let's look at the homework 4.1, 4.2, problem number 12. All right, so it says that they use a graphing utility, but I'm going to try to do it without using it. All right, so let's look at the y-intercept. So plug in x equals 0. All right, e to the 0 is 1, so you have 6 over 1 plus 1, so that would be 3. So you can see that here, first picture has a y-intercept 3, right? Second picture doesn't, so we can eliminate that. And third picture, we can eliminate that too for the same reason. And that could be the fourth picture. Right, so we compare these two, right? And another thing we can do is, let's say x goes to positive infinity, right? Actually, we can just answer these questions. Right, as x goes to positive infinity, you have e to the negative infinity, so that goes to 0. So 6 over 1, so that goes to 6. So this is going to be 6 here, right? As x goes to, say, negative infinity, then you have a e to the positive infinity, so that's going to be big number. So you have 6 divided by really big number approaches 0. So we have that. Right, so we know which picture that is. So as you go to the right, it goes approaches 6. As you go to negative infinity, it approaches 0. So this is the correct picture. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got the correct picture and we have these limits correctly. All right, let's look at part B. All right, so it's a very similar function. Only difference is here, instead of a negative 0.5 times x, we have a negative 0.5 over x. All right, so let's see, if x goes to, say, positive infinity, right? So you have a negative 0.5 over big number, so 0. So it's going to approach e to the 0, which is 1. So it's going to approach 3. So we can eliminate the first picture, and we can eliminate the third picture. So it's going to be between second and the fourth picture. All right, so both of them are going to 3. Right, so between these two, all right, let's say let's approach 0 from the positive side, for example. All right, if you approach from the positive side, so it's going to be a negative 0.5 over something slightly positive is going to be a negative large number. So e to the negative large number is going to approach 0. So it's a 6 over 1. So if you approach from the right-hand side to 0, it's going to approach 6, right? So you can see that this picture, if you approach from this side, it's going to approach 6, but this one doesn't. So this is the correct picture, right? So as x approaches negative infinity, so we know that it's going to approach 3. And it's actually, as x approaches positive infinity, still approaches 3, right? So it's both of them are 3. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the correct picture and we have these limits correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.